the following counties in Illinois: Madison, Monroe, and St. Clair, and the following counties in Missouri: Franklin, Jefferson, Lincoln, St. Charles, St. Louis, and Warren, and the Missouri independent city of St. Louis.
This is KDO 89 St. Louis, Missouri on 162.550 megahertz.
The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories. The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Madison County until 12:45 a.m. At 11:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Batalto and moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Glen Carbon, Edwardsville, Maryville, Troy, Highland, Dorsey, Prairie Town, Carpenter, Warden, Marine, Livingston, St. Jacob, Alhambra, Cotton, Frood, Hamel, Kaufman, New Douglas, and Grand Fork. This warning also includes Interstate 70 in Illinois from exit 21 to exit 30. Interstate 55 in Illinois from exit 23 to exit 37. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:45 a.m. Sunday for the following county: Madison County, Illinois. The following